Alright guys, today we're looking at the BILT motorcycle gauntlets, but before we get into that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to buy these or something very similar, check in the description below. I've got links to where you can buy this, and let's get started. These are, well, they're motorcycle gauntlets. They're nothing special, they're nothing fancy, there's no extra lining inside that provides you with super warmth. They're basically thick-ass leather motorcycle gauntlets. You can see they've got carbon fiber knuckles. These are pretty much your cheap end. As motorcyclists know, BILT is the Cycle Gear brand. That is their generic run-of-the-mill cheap-ass brand. So that's what I got because I don't have a lot of money. So how do these stack up? Well, they're cold. These provide no warmth at all. They will provide you protection. They're fairly thick leather. They're not as thick as I'd like. Let's face it, if you go down on the freeway, these aren't gonna last very long. They're not super thick. I've actually worn holes. This is my second pair. I've worn holes in my first pair. So I gotta say, I'm not overly impressed with the thickness or longevity of these gauntlets. However, for the price, it's hard to beat. They've got Velcro here so you can cinch it down on your wrist. They got Velcro here so you can kind of cinch it a little bit more, keep the wind from going in. They got some good strong knuckles. I'll give them that. These knuckles aren't gonna wear through, so you know, if you hit the back of your hand, you'll probably be okay. They also cover quite a bit of your arm, so you can see they go a ways up your arm. They don't just end where your hand ends. Overall, I would recommend these simply for the price range because they're pretty dang cheap. However, if you're going on really long motorcycle trips, especially if it's going to be cold, I would go with something that's more insulated and will give you a little bit more protection from the water and the wind. However, if you're a weekend warrior and you're just looking for something to get you by and protect you from maybe some spills, then these will be great and these will be everything you need. There you go. That is a quick review on the BILT motorcycle gauntlets. Hopefully you found this helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and check these out on Amazon. And as always, have a great day.